Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yes, a nice little pump right now that we're having in Bitcoin. I am currently in the trade on one of my personal accounts. And yep, I drew this in the morning when I woke up. You know, we had this nice little W pattern starting to play out. And we bounced out, and this was the neckline. I entered the trade right here, and look at this candle right there. You know, entered in around here, so I just waited. Yeah, start to dip down, but had my stop losses set around this area. And then when we pumped up, this is a pretty big pump right now. I mean, 3.96%, but this is a really nice candle that we got right there. If we can break the $38,000 level and keep going and maybe break the 39,000, I think that would be really good. Start to look really good for Bitcoin. You know, as we start to look at the Wyckoff pattern, this could have been the bounce from the phase C right here. I know Crypto was talking about it. You know, it would kind of make sense too, because you know it's called the spring right here, where you bounce off like so, come back down, and then start to zigzag all back up, and then start the uptrend again, right? So that's potentially something that I'm keeping my eye on at the moment. I can draw it for you guys in the charts and then post it in the Discord to share. Obviously, if you're not in Discord, I really recommend you to join. I think Daniel, one of our very good analysts in the chat, he is currently entered a trade around the $35,000 area, and now he's in 120% profit just from this single run right now. So congratulations to him. He deserves those gains. Good technical analysis. And yeah, we could see on Market Cipher that the 1 hour right now, we got some nice momentum upwards. We got that green dot there. We got the green dot on the 2 hour, the green dot on the 3 hour. And we're just gonna wait for the green dot on the 4 hour for confirmation. Right now we got the trend reversal triangle with the 4 hour, which is really good. We got some really bullish numbers. The money flows in the red, but it could start to potentially come back up, which would be very nice. I would really like to see that. I think the weekly close is coming up as well for Bitcoin right now. We get the weekly close at the $37,400 area. I think if we can close above the 0.5 Fibonacci level, that would be very nice. We're like right on it at the moment. We're fighting it. If it closes above, that would be very nice. And then we can maybe potentially start going back up to the $43,000 area and work our way up to the $52,000 area. But, you know, we're going to take it as it goes. What I'm going to start doing now, too, by the way, as like a small announcement, I'm going to start going through the charts through Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then finish off with the stock market at the end. Just to give you, just so I have a better rhythm. And for people who aren't interested in Bitcoin, you can skip the video and go to Ethereum. And if you're not interested in both, then you can just skip to the end, and that's usually where the stock market announcement is going to be. And yeah, now we can look at also, I am taking a look at the spider lines for CryptoFace that, they're very useful. We can see that obviously the $38,000 area has been a significant level of resistance. We rejected there. We broke through here, but ultimately rolled over as a fake out. We got rejected there. Are we going to get it rejected a fourth time? I don't know. I think that it's pretty bullish that we keep coming back up to try and break it, which is kind of, it's good news. We can see on the logarithmic scale, there was a pi cycle top, but I don't think that was a top. And I think this could be a 2013 scenario where we did hit a top in the middle of the cycle right here. Where is 2013? Where am I? Weekly. Oh no, I have to stay on the daily to take a look at it. Sorry. So we'll just zoom out all the way back to 2013, so we could take a look at the cycle top right there. Right here. So you see, we had a cycle top in 2013. We trended down, consolidated for a few months, and then ultimately had this massive run up in 2014, the next year. So, always keep that in mind. Think long term. We could potentially have a huge run in 2022. And right now could be our accumulation phase. If you haven't bought into Bitcoin yet, you could still, this could be potentially an accumulation phase for you guys. We could see that the Bitcoin dominance is getting a nice bounce. The Bitcoin dominance was really, really, really oversold considering the RSI. And now we're starting to go back up at the moment, which is very nice. We could also see that the hash ribbons have capitulated a couple days ago or a week ago. And now, they're really starting to extend out. So I wouldn't be surprised if they start to close back in and we're starting to trend back up. And then they close, and then we get a buy signal up here. Then I would start pouring in funds back into Bitcoin to accumulate once again. Right? Yes, you could technically accumulate here, but the price could technically fall to lower levels where you can get a better deal, right? A better bang for your buck, as you may, right? And then we could look also at the stock to flow model for Bitcoin, and then lengthening cycles. Once again, like we could obviously be looking at way higher prices down the road, right? We have got a lot of bullish news coming out, and yeah, I'm always bullish. Very bullish long term on Bitcoin, and right now in the short term I'm pretty neutral, but I am currently in a long position. So good job to everyone that's following Daniel's trades in the Discord. And now let's just move on to Ethereum. Right now we could see that Ethereum on the daily time frame, we got that red diamond, but now it looks like we're starting to slow down, that the daily might start to curve in around this area, which would be very good, which would be very bullish for Ethereum if it could curve back and maybe form like a green dot around this area. And we can see that the 4 hour, we're getting some momentum upwards now. We got this nice little trigger wave, so potentially I haven't entered an Ethereum long on my personal account, not on the challenge account. And yeah, we're looking pretty good at the moment. Small 10% profit, nothing too crazy. And we could also go here on the Ethereum chart for some quick TA. We are forming a similar W, same as Bitcoin right now. If we were to break this level, I think Ethereum could have a nice little run up to maybe the $2,600 area. We could just do this. This is basically how you calculate your movements upwards, and then there you go. We could probably reach the $25.78 area. You could obviously take profits way before then. The $25.50 is not a bad place to take profits. You don't have to sell everything, but you could sell some to ensure your profits. And yeah, we could go Ethereum to look at the Ethereum time frame. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's go on this one. There we go. On the weekly time frame, we're still bullish. On the daily time frame, the EMA ribbons have started to cross over, and if they start expanding out, that would be pretty bad. But if we can get back above them and reflip them, then that would be really good news for Ethereum. I would be very bullish on that. Anyways, let's just move on to the SP500. I know it's a weekend, like we are Sunday, and the stock market is not open, but it doesn't change the fact that I'm still looking at it on the larger time frames. On the monthly time frame, we had that red dot. I'm still anticipating a bigger red dot in the coming months, either July or August. I really want to reiterate that and make sure that everyone knows that I'm short on the market right now, and I will still be holding this position even if it goes into red. I really believe we are due for a correction. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. I really appreciate the support. We're at 427 subscribers now. It's amazing. People are joining every day in the Discord. That makes me really happy how many people we can educate and help to trade, just make some profits, make some gains. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and the Bybit sign up link is in the description. Peace.